Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create an account in Basecamp. Now guys, let's see what we here have actually in front of us. So as you can see here we have the Basecamp official website, which is the first thing that you need to do. You need to go to basecamp.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you're here we have a lot of different stuff that you can see. So we have what's new, features, and the sign in option. Also, we have the pricing plus the sign-in option if you want to go and see both of them. Of course, here we can, as you can see, where it all comes together. Basecamp's the project management platform that helps small teams move faster and make more progress than they ever thought possible. You can try it for free, or you can go and immediately buy it. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and log in. Create an account here. So you just need to click on the top right corner to sign in. So if you do not have an account, this is of course you can go and click on pricing plus sign up. Here you have two options. You can go and have the try for free, both of them, the monthly or the annually. We're going to go and click on this one. Now here you just need to put your name and email, but guys, don't forget that these things the information that I'm putting in here are all fake information just for the sake of this video. So what you need to do just is go to input your name, email here, and your organization name. Then you just need to click next and set up your password. And that's basically everything you need to do, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget guys to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.